All right, so this is number 2 of the water song. If I come to the side, you'll see which model this one is. This is the number right here, and it's a single handle bathroom faucet. So this is just one handle, so you got one flow of water coming into it. So let's go ahead and unbox it. Let's open her up, put that to the side. Comes with some information. You got a couple extra washers, and basically here it is. Boom. It has everything connected to it already. There it is, check it out. So you've got your hot and your cold water, and you just got to make sure that you put them on the right thing. And I think the way you look at it, you're going to see red and you're going to see blue. So you want to put the red to the hot water and the blue to the cold water, and you just got to bolt her down onto the onto your countertop here, and here is the connectors for that. So this is going to kind of go like this on there. Let me show you. I'll just go ahead and pull them out of here. You don't want to lose these either. There we go. So anyway, this is the rubber, so that's going to go this way. Okay, so then what you got to do is you got to undo this bolt, just like that, and then we're going to slide this on there, and we're going to put the rubber down, right? And then this would go on top of it here, like that. I'm going to leave it like this so I don't lose these. And then, you know, whatever your thickness of your counter is, it's going to crank down on it. And you get this special tool so that you can put it on there and just get it cranked down when you're underneath the counter. You see what I mean? Because it would be, you know, it's kind of hard. You don't have a lot of room in there, and that's how that works. It's basically, you know, the size of this nut, whatever nut size that is. But that's it, pretty much, and that's how you do it. And it's a pretty simple procedure, really. And it's beautiful. Look at it. I mean, it's gorgeous, isn't it? This would look great in any home. Any home. Wow, it's beautiful. All right, let's go ahead and put her back in here for now, and then we're gonna when I get the other apartment all ready to go, we're gonna go ahead and install this there, and so we'll make a video on how to do that. But in the meantime, we don't want to lose any of the parts, so let's get them all in here like that. And we've got these parts here, so you're not going to lose those. I've got them bolted on there, so all the parts are there. And then we'll just set this in here. We want to keep that there, and let's go ahead and close her up. And you can scan that if you want to get more information on it. Water song, basin faucet. All right, that's number 2.